If you want to constantly produce paper cups with high capacity and quality, choose NEWTOP high-speed intelligent paper cup machine. Today, we would like to introduce to you the 118S+SY high-speed intelligent paper cup machine of the 118S series from NEWTOP. It is widely used for customized high-end cups, coffee cups, milk tea cups, cola cups, etc. The machine can produce high-end paper cups of 150 to 350 GSM with a smooth running of 150 pieces per minute capacity. This machine is excellent for making 5 to 16 ounces of cold and hot cups. Vertical suction is upgraded to single rotary suction. The original fitting in of the paper blanks is a vertical suction, which is intended to have the problem of paper jam by transferring the paper blanks through the paper block strip. Now we have upgraded to use the single rotary suction system to make the paper blank fitting smoothly working by transferring directly into the runway to avoid unstable collision and the paper jam. Body folding system adopts the cold circulation to make non-stick and more stable operation. Double bottom heating working stations upgraded to the triple to make the bottom material better fully heated to ensure the tight sealing. Dual station top curling system makes the cup rim curling more perfect. NEWTOP strives for perfection and deeply cultivates the field of paper cup machine for 23 years. With a high quality and the concept of leading technology, we strive to create new value for our esteemed customers every time. Stable, durable, high capacity and quality. NEWTOP intelligent paper cup machine makes work so simple.